eh? Yeah. Much birds.
Cuz, see if that net is back on. Maria, can you hear me? Check. Not far to go, whānau. We're just about ready for kickoff in the second half. Hikurangi Maidens lead TVC 14 points to 0. The teams come back out onto the field now. Just about to get back underway, whānau. Hopefully our live stream is coming back at you. Just waiting for Maria, see if we can get a heads up, say that the live stream is working again. About to get back underway here. Referee says time on. We're able to get our time going. We better reset the times first. Hikurangi pick it up and take it forward up to their 10-metre line. They work it through the backs. Oh, nice hands there from Hoa Kahaki. They work it forward. Just inside the 10-metre line, there's Collins. Gives it out to Parata. Little knock on. No, play on, says the referee. Parata breaks the tackles. Over the halfway goes to Wael to Marama. Parata. Hikurangi still with the pill here, working it forward. It's spilled out the back though. Referee says there's a little knock on in there. He'll come back for the no advantage. So we're just waiting for the scrum to take place now. So scrum will take place 5 metres in from this near side of touch. Right on TVC's 10-metre line. Referee calls them in. Good shunt here from Hicks Bay. Oh, sorry, from Hikurangi. Hikurangi, Hicks Bay. They start with a H. Get it right, Polder. Penalty to TVC though. Mulaney with the pill. Taps it and goes quickly to Ranapia. Ranapia. Over the halfway goes Ranapia. They set it up 5 meters inside Hiku territory. Up to, that's Vaka. Vaka with another strong one. Good hands out there to Grant. Over the 10-meter line now. Referee's got a penalty though, not releasing. A little bit isolated, I think, was the call. Hikurangi penalty here. A couple of meters outside their 10-meter line. Just have to watch, make sure you can dodge the ball, don't get our camera gear damaged. Little knock on in there. It'll be a Hikurangi scrum feed. Maria, if you can check that live stream, please just give us the thumbs up that it's working properly. Can't tell from here. Otherwise, I'll be getting hate all across Facebook and across my messenger. Kabai, referee there helping out. A bit of mud in the eye. It's a couple of minutes gone in this second half. Kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Hopefully streaming nice and clear. Little knock on in there from Hikurangi off that scrum feed. Pass went out to Green, and just as you can tell, these conditions, she looks like a pigsty out there. These ladies doing their best to have a game of rugby in it. The scrum down just inside Hikurangi's 10-meter line, about 7 meters in from this near side of touch. Scrum down, big shunt here from Hikurangi, it's out the back. Kopa goes down the sideline, gets it passed back infield. Little knock on, says the referee. Advantage being played here. No advantage. Little knock on there, and then offload. It will be a Hikurangi scrum feed. Right on their 10-meter line. Kapai, looks like we're all back to normal now with our live stream. That'll stop a bit of flack coming my way. Ball in, it's at the back there for Collins. Out to Green, it's along the ground. It's gone backwards. It's out the back, spilled out the back there. Rushing back here, referee playing advantage here for Hikurangi. They spin it out wide here. Oh, nice pick up there from the wing. A little knock forward. Referee coming all the way back for the advantage. Just outside the Hikurangi 22. Looks like leaving their feet is the call. To stay on your feet. 14-0 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou. Hikurangi lead after 2 converted tries in the first half. Of course, Hikurangi their second time in the final. They played Waiapu last year. Waiapu coming out successful in that one. And I don't know if you guys saw the 7 Sharp story last night on the All Blacks bench. That's at St Mary's. I see this morning some good news is that Ngāti Porou got the first All Blacks bench, and looks like we're going to get the second All Blacks bench because the second one is going to the C Company House in Gisborne. So I think that's happening tomorrow. Presentation of the bench to C Company House. So Ngāti Porou getting the 2 first benches. 26 communities in the country getting one of those benches. We had Mr. Dane Coles and Samasoni Tuhaka. We'll call him a Tuhaka because he said he'll play for Waipu if I can get him crayfish. Kicked out downfield there from Hikurangi. Right back towards TVC's halfway, or 10-metre line. Defence up quickly there from Hikurangi. TVC, they've got it there though. As Mulaney has a look at her option, she gives it to Kopa. Kopa goes down there blind side. Little knock on in there, referee playing advantage for Hikurangi as Parata, that's Kimi Parata, it goes backwards, up to Beach. Beach gets the pass away, little knock on in there, it's play on, says the referee, playing advantage here to TVC. No advantage, they'll come back for the knock on. There's one clean jersey left out there on the field. They're using her as the wipe. Just lucky though, they've got a clean jersey to help wipe each other's faces with. But yes, Tawangata looks like she's the cleanest on the paddock. Scrum down just inside Hikurangi's 10-metre line, right out in the middle of that mud bath. You got to give it up to these ladies. It's playing rugby in this. It's there at the back for Kopa. Kopa gives it out to Waititi. That's Hero Waititi. Waititi, good run down the sideline here. Takes it to ground. Little knock on there from Mulaney. Oh, you could see it was like soap. It was like soap as she tried to pick it up. Couldn't pick up the bar of soap. It'll be a Hikurangi scrum feed just outside their 10-metre line. As I was saying, you've got to give kudos to these ladies. Playing rugby in these conditions, at least the sun's out. It'll be harder to play if it was pouring like it was yesterday. Scrum down. Collins with the feed. Ball in. It's at the back there for Collins. Little chip. It's gone sideways, so it might pay off here for Hikurangi yet. As Narimu picks it up. Straightens up, goes up the middle, puts the chip in. Over the halfway, back to the 10-metre goes the ball. Moko back there. Moko gets the pass away to Ngatai. The black jerseys, or they look like black jerseys in the mud, might have been turned over here. It's Parata. Parata breaks away. That's Wild Tomatoma looking to get the ball forward pass there. Unlucky. What a break there from Wild Tomatoma. Parata, she was the first one to arrive at the tackle. Stole the ball. And just unlucky there in the pass, the forward pass. It'll be a TVC scrum feed. 14-0 the score remains. Waiting here, Whānau. There's a stoppage in play. Just better stop our stopwatch. A few players down. There's a TVC player down in back play. I can see a Hikurangi player down. So time off at the moment. Just got a stoppage in play here. About to get back underway though.
Ellie, have a carry.
Shunt there from Hikurangi goes back now to Teddy. Teddy breaks down this near sideline. Teddy, good run there. Takes it outside. There's a got isolated though. Referee Awards a penalty here to Hikurangi.
Come on, you girls. You two. Go.
They kick it for touch here. 5 metre attacking line out coming here for Hikurangi. Right down here in the corner in front of all of their supporters.
Come on. You good to go now?
Attacking line out coming here. 14-0. Little stoppage again.
Hear me, go through.
Just going to get up a bit higher, get some coverage. And some, so I can see they go high at the front. Oh, taken down there by Kimi Parata. They try and set up the ruck here. They go wide through green. Might have been knocked out, knocked back, says the referee. Just watching here, what's the call? It's a scrum called. Scrum called here. Defensive scrum for TVC.
Yep, go, Gils. Go to the roof. Talia!
Subs coming.
Talia, come down. Manoia, go to right side.
Try and get a name for those new players on there for you.
Ricky, go to left.
Number 16, I think, was Matchett, and 18, Rere Grant. Grant.
Come on, you two. Manoia, watch that
Hikurangi
line.
in a strong position here.
Come on, you two. Good work.
That's defensive scrum feed here for TVC. About 10 metres out from their goal line. Pressure coming from Hikurangi. Goes back though. They're going to run it. Grant sends it out. It's gone backwards behind the post. It's Waititi. It'll be a 5 metre scrum here for Hikurangi. So they turn that defensive scrum feed into an attacking one.
Ricky, get into it now.
About 13 minutes gone
Joe.
in this second half. Hikurangi lead 14-0. Midfield scrum, great attacking opportunity here for Hikurangi.
Right, jump on the fence, Talia.
Ball in, it's at the back here for Collins. Referee playing advantage. They look to have broken early out to Narimu. They send it wide. Oh, it's just gone through the hands. Referee will come back. No advantage. Offside was the call. Scrum called right out in the middle of the park. Another attacking scrum here for Hikurangi. Straight out in front of the post here.
Another sub when you exchange over. Exchange over, another sub. Yep. Do I need to send the feed now? Yep.
Referee blows it up. They'll have it again. Just waiting for the scrum to set. As an injured player out there. I think that's Ranapia. Just looking to shake it off. They'll go again now. Scrum down. They go off the base of the ruck here. What's the referee say? Little knock on both ways. And we'll have another scrum here. Hikurangi on attack on the 5 metres out from their goal line. Whoa, we've got a number 28 going on there, and I don't have a number 28 on my team sheet.
Go Tito!
Koina etahi o ngā raruraru. That's some of the problems I get given, whānau. They give me a team sheet and then players run out with a jersey on that's not even on the team sheet. TVC trying to run it out of their goal line here. They put the boot to it. Beach is back there on the 22. Oh, nice pick up there from Ariki Beach. TVC up there to make the tackle though, but Hikurangi, they get over the counter ruck here. It's messy. Hikurangi tied it up though, and it's Parata. Parata throws it out to Ngarimu. Ngarimu throws the dummy. It's still there for Hikurangi. Collins gives it up now to Heaney. Heaney loses the ball in the tackle. Vaka comes up with it for TVC. TVC looking to send it wide. No, it'll knock on. Referee will come back for no advantage. There's an injured player down behind him. I think that's Heaney. There'll be a bit of a stoppage here. Injured player down. About 17 minutes gone. This second half kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Hikurangi leading 14 points to 0. 2 converted tries after the tries from the first half. Both converted by Charlie Hauakahaki. And yeah, you can see out there, whānau, she's not the easiest of conditions to play in. These ladies have done great to give us an awesome spectacle of rugby so far. Trying their best in these hard conditions. The skill level is still up there though. You're not seeing many drop passes or knock-ons. Actually seeing some great display of skills at times as these ladies are picking up the passes that are a bit low or picking up the ball on the bounce in this mud. Not far away from getting back underway, the referee is saying just get the sub on. Number 18, Moana Ngarimu. And number 20, Areta Morris out there. Hikurangi, a couple of changes. I can see it looks like Rangi Uai are out there as well. That's the number 28, is it? Okay, she's down on the team sheet in number 17, but she's got number 28 on. Okay, we were able to fix that one up. Big shunt here from Hikurangi. It's at the back though for Kopa. Little knock on. It'll be a Hikurangi scrum here. They've certainly put the acid on at scrum time. Oh, we forgot to start our mea. We've got to start our time up again.
Ryan, what's your blind?
Mud and dust and wind, and the only thing we're missing is the rain and the snow. And I don't want that. We've had enough. Scrum down just outside TVC's 22 in the middle of that mud bath. Scrum goes down. Referee's got a penalty against Hikurangi though. Off the mark, says the referee, as Mulaney looked to go quickly. Penalty here just outside the 22. I think that's Grant that's got it. Grant going for a run, bringing it up towards the 10-metre line, held there in the mud. They get in, they go for, that's run up here. Gets taken high, referee says no advantage here, he'll come back for the high shot. They pick and go again, TVC, after that, from that penalty, tap and go. Mullaney digging it out the back, she gives it up to Vaka. Vaka charging forward, there's a couple of players down in the back, it's not injuries, it's mud in the eye, they can't see. Mullaney tries to spin out a one tackle. TVC looking to spin it, Grant gets it, juggles it, gives it back now to the first 5, that was Grant. Hikurangi defense flying up though. It's messy, it's been picked up here by Kupa. Being pushed back to the 22 though on defense, referee's got no advantage. He'll come back for a little knock on in there from Hikurangi. Looks like about 20 minutes left to go in this final whānau. Hikurangi lead 14-0. Scrum down just outside TVC's 22-metre line. Right out there in that mud bath. Right out there in the middle. You can see it on the camera. Scrum down. Referee not happy. He blows it up again. Sets the scrum again. Mullaney just waiting for the forward packs to come together. Ball in. It's at the back here for Mullaney. It's spilled backwards. Play on, says the referee, as Grant throws it out the back. Waititi with the ball now. Gets it away to Ngatai. The defence is flying up there from the, I was going to say black jerseys, but they're brown at the moment. Waititi sends it, oh, it's gone out to Ngarimu. What great hands there from Kat Ngarimu. Puts the little chip in. It's bouncing into the in goal. Chasers are going. Who's there first? TVC, I think. 22, no, is it a line dropout, is it? Line dropout. Some great skill there from Kat Ngarimu to pick that up on the bounce. It's like a cake of soap out there, whānau.
Go, Dino!
Into the final quarter of this final. Well, last quarter of the final, TVC get a penalty. Oh no, it's a line dropout, sorry. They send it up the middle. It's gone backwards, picked up there by Collins. She gives it up to Beach. Beach straightens up the middle. Taken down, about 15 out in front of the post. Collins comes open again, up to Parata. That's Whale to Marama, Parata. Charging at the line, 5 out, they hold her up. It'll be a maul here. Unless Hikurangi can get it back. There'll be a TVC scrum feed here. I don't think that's going to stop the momentum that the Hikurangi maidens have got though. Another Whale to Marama Parata. She's been strong all game. Strong carries. Wait, midfield scrum coming. Just couldn't get that ball to the ground or get it back to her team. It was a maul taken in by the woman in brown wearing black. Well, they're wearing black, but they're in brown at the moment. Mullaney plucks it out the back. They give it to Grant. Grant puts the little chip in. Referee's got no advantage. Penalty back there. Looks like a late shot. See if we can pick it up on our replay. Kick in. No, might have been offside, I think was the call. Oh, high shot was a high tackle. TVC, what do they do here? It's a long way to the other end of the park. Waititi taps it and takes it forward. TVC trying to recycle it here. It's at the back for Mullaney. They go open. Defense is up to the challenge. He got stuck there. The tackler from Hikurangi stuck on the wrong side of the ruck. They go open again, out to Ranapia. Ranapia slips the first tackle, takes it out of the 22. Referee will be still playing advantage here as they go open again. He'll come back, no advantage.
Pick it up, go! You're on the ball, go!
This one just inside the 22. It's about 15 minutes left in this final, give or take. Remembering, of course, referee is sole judge of time. Mani Waititi charging with the ball forward. Mullaney gives it out now. They hands again to Grant. Grant throws a little step in. Nice tackle there from Green, I think it was. Or was that Rickard? Driving it forward out wide here is Cooper. There's a tackle. It's high. Referee's reaching for the pocket here. It's Parata, Kimi Parata there. Just got caught out with a high tackle. Tap and go is Cooper. Gives it out to Vaka. It's gone backwards. Oh, it stops in the mud. Referee playing advantage here for Hikurangi. They come up with the pill though. Quick hands out wide. Narimu. Play on, says the referee. Must be advantage over as TVC come up with the ball. Referee's got a penalty to TVC. Just their side of halfway. They tap and go. Waititi taking it forward again. She bounces off the first tackle. Referee was that advantage as they spin it wide here. Referee says no advantage, not back 10. TVC, to give themselves a chance, will need to score soon. Down by 14 points. They go wide again. TVC cutting back infield. Good hands there. Out now to Cooper, I think it is. Into the 22 they go. Back to Waititi, Mullaney. Up to Waititi again. Oh, big tackle there. Referee's got another penalty though. Offside is the call, I think. Penalty. They tap and go again. Mani Waititi. Another run from her. She gets the pass away to Vaka though. Vaka. Close to the line here. They come back infield. Big defense there. They get the pass away. It's gone backwards though. Play on. Out to Waititi. Hands. They spin it wide. They've got numbers here, have they? It's Ngatai. Ngatai just shy of the line. TVC still on attack here. They've got the pill. They come back open. That's 5 out from the line.
Defense!
They go out to Mullaney. Mullaney to Grant. Little chip through. The chasers are coming. Looked like a player taken out by the defense there. Wonder if the replay caught it. Let's have a look. I just can't see it there. It's a try. There's a try given. Must have been. It's a try. Penalty try. There's no need for the conversion. TVC get their first points on the board and it's a penalty try. Referee must have seen what I saw. The kick got put in and the chasing players were taken out by opposition. Referee has deemed a penalty try here. 14 points to 7 with about 12 minutes to go. Those clean jerseys, they certainly look out of place out there, don't they? New player out there for TVC. Let's see if we can get a number. Number 25. Do we have a number 25? No, we don't have a number 25. Do you know the name of that TVC lady that just went up? Taipo Matchett. Ah, yeah. Kapai. Taipo Matchett out there for TVC. They bring it back through Grant up to their 10-metre line. Another pick and go up the middle goes Vaka. Vaka, she's got one to Beach. She's going to go over. Oh, nice tackle there from Beach. Mulaney, little knock on. Unlucky there. Courageous play by Araki Beach there. It was a mismatch in size. She knew what to do. She just went down on the ground and went around the ankles. So that's Taipo Matchett out there wearing number 25, but down on the team sheet is number 16. It's making me work. About 10 minutes left in this final, whānau. Will we see extra time if it gets locked up? Ball in there. It's out the back. Thrown out to Narimu. Little knock on. No penalty. No, it's a knock on. Sorry, I thought his arm motion was a penalty. He's just signalling a knock on. So it is another TVC scrum feed coming, an attacking scrum feed. Just outside Hikurangi's 22 here. Oh, might be a little bit outside the 22. There's an injured player down here. Referee will have to stop time because that's a forward that's receiving treatment. Is there another sub coming back on? I'm trying to see who that is. That might be. There's an injured player. Oh, she's back up. We're about to get back on the way, whānau. TVC scrum feed.
Big scrum, Miku!
Referee pushing before the ball went in. They go quickly. Mulaney out to Grant. Grant gives it out wide. Out to Waititi here. Oh, little knock on here. As Hikurangi come up with the pull. Knock on both ways, says the referee. It'll be a Hikurangi scrum feed. Defensive scrum feed. Just inside their 22. Excitement in this final, whānau. The NPEC Women's Premier Rugby Final. There is a substitution happening. Kenzie Cook back out there. Referee calls them in. Hikurangi scrum feed. Ball in, it's turned over. It's here for Mulaney. Mulaney gives it out to Waititi. Waititi going for a run. She steps back infield. Oh, good tackle. Oh, it's picked up out wide here by the new winger. Gets the pass away. Out over the sideline. It'll be a Hikurangi line-out throw across there. Defensive line-out. What's that? That's about, might be 15 out from the corner flag. Defensive line-out throw coming here for Hikurangi. TVC starting to build pressure in the second half. Score though, still 14-7. This is a chance of us going to extra time if TVC can lock it up. Referee sole judge of time. We've got about 6 or 7 minutes on our watch, but don't take that as gospel. Hikurangi line out throw. It's messy, it's on the ground. Who comes up with it? It's gone out. Watch the touchy. That's full time. The referee has blown full time here. Hikurangi have come out on top. They win their first championship in the women's competition over TVC, 14 points to 7. What a great game of rugby by these ladies in some trying conditions out there in the mud. Congratulations to Hikurangi, unlucky TVC, what a great game. Big mihi, of course, to Maria back in the studio, keeping our listeners connected. Apologies about the issues we had, whānau. There's some things I can control, but when people go and stand on the cord and pull the internet up, I can't control that one. But big mihi to my man on the camera, Mr. Mahuta Morris. Of course, Kazi Maria back in the studio, keeping you connected. That's my lot for club rugby this year, whānau. We take a break. We'll be back with the pre-season match, I think, across there at TVC when East Coast take on Eastern Bay of Plenty. Big mihi, of course, to Johnny Haidawa, sponsoring our Pick the Score this year. That's my lot. Ka kite.